Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are going to be making creamy shrimp pasta. This recipe is so simple and has a short list of ingredients but tastes restaurant quality. Always remember guys, the homemade tastes way better than going out. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by cooking the pasta. Into the boiling water, add salt. Then add the pasta and cook it according to the instructions on the package. Meanwhile, we're gonna move on to make the sauce. In a large skillet over medium heat, add butter, heavy whipping cream and sour cream, then bring it to a boil. Stir all the ingredients until well blended and smooth. Now turn the heat to medium-low and continue to cook the sauce for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the sauce has reduced to half, add cooked shrimp and continue to cook for another 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and chop dill. Now the pasta is done, we're gonna drain it and set aside. Next, add half cup of pasta water and dissolve 1 cube of shrimp bouillon. Then add the shrimp bouillon mixture to the sauce. Let the sauce simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently. Once the sauce starts to thicken, we're gonna go ahead and stir in the drained pasta and chopped dill, tossing until pasta is well coated in sauce. The pasta is done. Garnish with parsley and serve. This recipe doesn't call for salt. The shrimp bouillon has enough salt needed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.